Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how you can move your taskbar. This is your taskbar. You just have, if I want to move it on this side, if I want to move it on that side, I can move it anywhere on my screen. To do that, what you have to do is just press the button and drag it. I just dragged it, it's on the right side now. If I press the button and drag it, it's on the upper side now. Even if I drag it on the left side, let's try this. It's on the left side. So you see how amazingly it moves without putting in a lot of efforts. If I drag it back down there, we can do that. So this is a quick tutorial on how you can drag your taskbar or anywhere on four corners of the screen. If you find this video really helpful and you like our other videos, make sure to leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you on the video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling. Thank you.